Hello everyone, it's Tom Voyage here. Thanks for joining me again. Today we're going to be looking at this. This is the large modular table from Ooni's outdoor kitchen and pizza station range. Now before we get into this video, I'd like to mention that Ooni did supply this table to me. However, they've not paid me any money to give it a good review or a bad review, so I'm going to be honest about it. In this video, we're going to be putting this table together. I'm going to be walking you through some of the features and benefits and giving you any tips that we found along the way when setting it up. If you did want to buy one of these Ooni tables for yourself, you can use the link in the description below. It doesn't cost you any more money, but it helps me out with a little bit of commission so we can carry on making these kind of videos in the future. Right, let's get started.
Start by finding yourself a large area and laying out all the pieces and checking all the parts are there. All the tools you needed are supplied, but I preferred to use my own. Use the box to support the frame and fix the 4 legs into place. The middle shelf's a bit tricky to support, so get someone to give you a hand whilst you screw in the bolts. And lastly, put on the top shelf.
So when you're putting this table together, it's easiest, like most things, to put the screws in just loose first. I'll show you what I mean here. So if you drop these 2 in here first, they're going to line up with these 2 holes which are threaded. And then if you leave them loose like this, it makes it much easier to line up these next holes at the bottom. Once everything's in place, you can tighten everything up.
There are 2 struts on each corner, so 8 in total. The next job is to put on the wheels.
I wanted to mention when you're putting your table together to be aware of which wheels have these locks on, because the 2 wheels with locks on you want at the front, or whichever is going to be the front of your table, and the 2 wheels without, you want them at the back.
Tighten them up and flip the unit over. Now fix on the hanging pegs on whichever side you want. And finally drop the shelves and the stainless steel worktop into place.
So to begin, this is the larger version of the table. Ooni also do a smaller one. This one measures 80 centimeters by 80 centimeters. The smaller one measures 80 centimeters but is narrower at just 60 centimeters. The top of the table is made from this nice stainless steel. It's easy to wipe down, nice and hygienic if you wanted it for making pizzas. There's an embossed Ooni logo there as well. The sides of the table are made from a powder coated steel. And you also get 2 shelves. Now these shelves are adjustable so you can have them higher, as you can see these holes here, or lower. This means that you can fit your Ooni under there, you can fit maybe a gas propane tank under there, and it's adjustable to use it for whatever you want. So it comes with these 3 hooks along the front. Now these are great for hanging like your pizza peels and that sort of thing on, but because this table stands 90 centimeters off the ground, it's good because even the longer peels like this turning one can fit on there without touching the floor. So both the large table and the medium will fit all of the Ooni pizza ovens and will hold up to 60 kilograms in weight. Ooni also do these utility boxes for these modular tables. These are really handy if you wanted to put things like sauces or your olive oil or some kitchen roll or something like that. So I'm going to unbox this and show you how to set that up too. So you just use the anchors that come with it to put that on the side, and then that's your utility box for all your bits and pieces. So as you can tell, it's all set up, ready to go. The Ooni Karu 16 fits on here brilliantly. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to like and subscribe. And if you want to buy either the Karu or the table or any of the Ooni accessories, please use the links in the description below. Thanks very much, guys, and we'll see you next time for more pizza making videos.